Thank you everyone for all of these awesome gifts. We thank you very much. Merry Christmas and happy birthday, Jesus. Thank you for coming here on earth to give us the gift of salvation. For these gifts. Do you want to open it? Who first? Baby Al first. Battery. Yep.
Wow!
What is this? You only saw the back.
Wow!
Wow! Makeup!
Makeup!
I think this one is Lego. Open it up. Wow. That's not Lego. Wow. Thank you. It's a magic kit. This one is from Arya and Argus. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Let's open it up.
Wow.
It's a bag. Oh wait, there's something else.
Wow.
Look! Headband! And look! Wow! Wow! Birthday! I am sharing my treasures with you. Hope you enjoy using it the same way I did. Merry Christmas! Love, Ate Arya. Wow! And there's drawing! My turn! Let's see. Wow, look baby, look! This one is for Miriam from Igros family. Wow! 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 Cute sleepwear!
Wow! Can I see?
Wow!
Very nice!
Okay, my turn. This is from Ninong Richard also. To me. Let's open it up. More clothes. Thank you, Ninong Richard. And there's more. So, this is from Nate and Noah. Thank you. Let's open it up. This is for me. So, I already saw this. There's something else. There's some gift wrap. More clothes. Thank you, Nathan Noah. And look! For you!
I have to read the book.
You like to read the book?
I have to tell the two.
Huh?
I have to tell the two. Wow!
Nice.
Wow! Now let's open the next one. For Elle also. It's puppet! It's a puppet! Wallet! Wait, look! Wait.
I have puppy.
No, it's not just a puppet. It's a bag. That's a puppet. Alright. So, we have some more gifts. And we're back. So, let's open it up. This one is from the Sumaya family. Thank you. It is Lego. Ah, so cute.
Wow.
It's Pokemon Pikachu. Wow. Wait, this is officially licensed. Thanks. Thank you. Merry Christmas. Let's open it. It's from the Sagaunitz family. Thank you. Wow.
Oh, I like food.
Boots.
Oops. And here's another one for Elle. There's what's it called? Ampao from Tita Aiza and Yumi. Thank you. Pepero from Tita Aiza and Yumi also. Thank you. We have snacks. Yes, it's almond.
Sit down.
Thank you. This one is for Elle, given by me. Yeah. Anyways, you remove. This one. What's this? Wow, Lego friends. Do you like this one? From Kua. What will you say? You're welcome. This one. From Tita Chingay to me. Thank you. Let's open it up.
You like boots? Wow.
Thank for Elle.
Wow. Look, Elle.
One is to me. From Tito Jason and Tita Iris. Oh, it's an alarm clock. Thank you. One is from Nina and Mika.
Wow.
Puppet bag also. Her second puppet bag for baby Elle.
Uy, wow.
Wow, it's a jacket. For baby Elle. From Tito Jason. Thank you. Bubbles you can catch. Ooh. Thank you, Tita Lawrence, for this scooter. And thank you, Tita Seng and Tita Dry for this gift. Thank you from Mommy and Daddy to Kuya Ral. Oh, this is for me.
Mommy.
Okay, let's open it up. This is for me. Oh, thank you. Look, it's the Mario starter set, except it's Luigi style. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Merry Christmas from the Sumaya family. Let's open it up. Yeah. Wow, luggage with kitchen. Kitchen set.
Wow.
This one is from Tita Nico. A new jacket. Wow. To me. From Elle. No, this is for me. Baby Elle gives to Kua. Thank you, baby. Lego Ninjago. Wow. It's the one I wanted for Christmas. Thank you, baby Elle and Mommy and Daddy. This one is very big for baby Elle. Ooh. I helped gift wrap this. So yes, I helped to gift wrap this. And the big makeup set. Wow. And there's more. So heavy. I'll help baby Elle.
Go there, baby, go.
There's a box. Is it small inside? Ha. But I know what's inside. It's the Lego table. And Elle wanted for Christmas. Well, actually, there's no Lego yet, but we're about to open that part. This is also for baby Elle. It's the Lego for the Lego table. I really like Elle's present. It's so nice. And it's so These are some of the pieces. Okay, look. Wow. That's it. Merry Christmas to you all. Happy holidays! Thank you everyone for all of these special gifts. Thank you for all of these gifts.
You're happy?
Thank you, Bash and Sam, Tita Dennis and Tita Jama for these gifts. Merry Christmas. Thank you. Happy New Year.
Oh!
Do you know what it is?
Apa?
What is it?
Wow! Dolly!
It's a dolly. It's Harry Potter 8.
See?
Happy New Year. See you, Daddy.
Itu juga Mama.
Thank you, Ninang Mern, for this gift.
Itu sudah Maya.
Thank you, Ninang Vilma.
Itu sudah Maya.
Ma.
Ma.